Okay, so here it is. One second, 1 second. So we're going to discuss about this Office 365 tool. Okay. So what is this Office 365? It is formally we are also calling this, formally it is Office 365. Then now it is a name change to Microsoft 365. Okay. So still there is another Office 365 also there, but in the enterprise places. But the main Office 365 changed to Microsoft 365. So what it is? It's a cloud-based service. In the cloud, there is a three services: infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service. And this Office 365 or Microsoft 365 comes under software as a service. It means you can directly access an application. So to run this application, you need to maintain the infrastructure, operating system, and environment also. And you are accessing application. Okay. It is subscription model. What is subscription model? You have to pay for monthly or yearly. Like your Amazon Prime, Netflix, you subscribe and you use it. And if no longer required, you don't pay and you don't get the service. Okay. Cancel anytime. For example, you got a requirement for 6 months. So you use it for 6 months. Monthly, you are paying for the service. After 6 months, you can say cancel. No, we don't want a subscription right now. Later, after 3 months, you require is there. Again, you can take it. Okay. So that's what actually cloud means, right? So that's the point. Okay. It's not pay as you go model. It is subscription model. Infrastructure as a services, platform as a services, generally pay as you go models. But this is subscription model. Any software as a service, generally it is subscription models. Okay. Next. This is Office. We are calling it as Office, right? So what is meant by Office? You get Microsoft Office suite. What we are getting from the Microsoft 365 or Office 365, that is, we are getting Microsoft Office suite. You'll get Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook plus OneDrive. This Microsoft Office suite, not only Microsoft Office suite from Office 365 or Microsoft 365, you're also getting some other enterprise or business related services like a Microsoft Teams, Exchange, Sharepoint, Intunes, okay, like that different Azure AD services or Entra ID services also you are getting along with the Microsoft. It depends upon your subscription, guys. What type of subscription you are taking, based on that, you will get this Office related applications. Okay. So here it is. We can access Microsoft Office applications using web browser. See it is. I'm using a web browser. In the web browser, I'm accessing Excel. In the same web browser, I can use Word, Excel, PowerPoint. Okay. Like that, Microsoft Office 365 related things I can access. Okay. And as well as offline also. It means, see this is my Word, my Office 365 Word it is. Okay. It is in the desktop. Okay. Even in my mobile phone, I have a Office tools also there. So I can access through offline also, like using desktop applications or mobile applications also. You can access your Office application from anywhere, anytime, any device. It means anywhere. So wherever you located, you can access through online, offline, you can access it. Anytime you can access it. Any device. What is any device? I can access from my laptop, desktop, mobile phone, tablet. In both operating system, Windows operating system, Mac operating system, and other operating system like Linux also I can able to access because it's both offline and online access is there. Okay. It will provide always support any issue you are facing with your Microsoft Office 365. So you will get always support. Any issues there, immediately you will get a support from Microsoft. And continuous updates, new features or any new features are implemented. So you don't need to buy a new version. Simply it updated to your product. You will get it. For example, Copilot is a new one. Automatically, Copilot features will be added to our Microsoft Office. Okay, like that. So any features are new one. It is there. It support different types of platforms. In your Apple mobile, you can use Office 365, Office Suite apps. Android, you can use it. Microsoft Windows, you can use it. Mac OSs, like Apple Mac OSs, you can use in both offline and online kind of stuff. In case you have a, other than that, like Linux operating systems are there. Linux also having a web browser, of course, not in my Linux. This Linux is minimal type of Linuxes, okay? So full Linuxes are there. There it is a web browser. You can, like if you are using Ubuntu, you may not able to install the Office Suite desktop applications, but you can use web browser kind of stuff. Okay. So this is about your Office 365. Got it, guys? What is Office 365?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So why we should go for a Office 360? Why it is advantageous than regular Office? For example, you buy a desktop or laptop. So what you will use it? Okay. For example, you have a desktop or laptop and you need to require some Word, Excel, PowerPoint. What you will do? Will buy Microsoft Office. Microsoft Office. Either for your home edition, student edition, pro edition, business edition. So different editions also there. But I'm going with the home or a pro editions, professional editions, business editions, enterprise editions, different editions also there. Okay. So whatever it is a one-time purchase. It is one-time purchase. The recent version, as you know, as you remember, Office 2021. Maybe 2022 came or not, I don't know. So 2023 or 2024. As last remember, it is seen checked 2021. Okay. So it is one-time purchase. Means you don't need to pay monthly. Okay. You need to pay monthly or yearly. One time you buy, install into your laptop, then you can use it. You can use regularly. So no problem in it. You'll get Word. It generally depends upon your edition. You'll get a Excel, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook. Okay, these are the major points. Any additional things like any other things like OneNote. Okay, publisher, access. Access is for a database purpose. Access databases. Like this, you will get the tools. Depends upon your edition you buy it. Okay. So this is one-time purchase. You need to pay for a monthly or yearly. For example, few years back, I purchased 2000 Office 2019. Okay. Few years back, I purchased this one-time purchase. I installed Office 365. Sorry, Office 2019. I purchased this Office 2019. Now what happened? So I'm not paying earlier monthly, so right? So in my laptop, I installed it and working fine. Okay. Now the new features are introduced in 2021. So find in a new version of Office 2021, a new features are included. I want that new features. I want a new features. So I want a new features of 2021 version. Okay. 2021 version. I have a new feature. User has to buy or purchase new Office. Okay. So that's a older one won't update it to not giving these new features. You have to buy a new version. Again, you have to pay to the Microsoft to get a new version of Office. Okay. And this Office works on a one device. It is a one device type. Okay. It means you purchase it and install in a laptop. In that laptop, only that license, the license, the license works on the single device, not multiple device. Same license, you cannot put it into multiple laptops. Like one of your friend purchased Office 2019 and you ask and taken the Office and you install in your laptop. Okay. Of course, you have to give the key, right? License key is required. So you taken your friend license key into your laptop. His friend is using and you are also using same license. So once Microsoft find out one license used by two users in two different devices, automatically they will stop using this. Like they both will be blocked. You have to buy again. So your friend has to give complaint to the Microsoft. I don't know why it is blocked. So then they should pay for a support. So they will try to resolve with the serial keys and then license key will be resolved. For you, it is completely blocked. Okay. So that's the point. It is works on one device only, not multiple device. See, the license won't work on a multiple device. It's one work for a one device only. One license, one device. For example, in offices, in organizations, we have 100 computers. Then, earlier to the Office 365, so what people are doing is, you have 100 computers, 100 licenses, you have to take it. Okay? 100 licenses, you have to take it from the Microsoft. Okay? Second, for example, you install in your laptop, your Office, you install in your laptop, and you put the license key, activated, good, working. After a few days, your laptop is not working. So what you will do, you buy a new laptop, a new desktop, and you want to use this old Office in a new system, you can use it with that license, no problem. But parallel, you cannot use it. Both systems with the same license, you cannot use it. If you want to use in a second system, you have to remove from the first system. Okay. So then you put it in a second system and reactivate. Okay. Deactivate. So then it will work. You guys understand? You one-time purchase Offices. 2 points I told. Do you understand this? License related thing, one device, one license.
Yes, sir.
So you are using a Microsoft product, you will get updates, right? These updates also for a certain limited period only. That a limited period only. It means initially you'll get a regular updates. Then after a few days, product related updates will be stopped. Only critical and security updates only it will get updated. After a few days, after few years, days or few years, that updates also will stop. For example, if I have a 2013 Office is there, you don't get updated right now. You don't get any updates. I have 2007, 2010. No updates are available for that products. Okay. So 2019, it is still 2019. It means around 5 years. Okay. Around 5 years. So maybe a critical or security updates will happen. After maybe 2 years, maybe another 20, after 2021, you may get a 2025, for example. So Office 2025 is released. 2019 related updates will be stopped. Office 2021 related updates, the product related updates will be stopped, security will be there. Like after every few years, like a 5 to 10 years period. So this product updates will stop, and then security and critical updates will be stopped. Then finally, no updates at all. Okay. So that is what happens with a one-time purchase. New features if you want it. So of course, you won't get it because you have to buy a new version. Okay. And next, support. When you purchase, why people are want to go for a Microsoft? Because there is a support. If you do Linux, Linux, if you are using a Linux means if you know Linux, you can use it. You got a problem and then you want a support, it is very difficult because no one knows what you have done. Something you have done with your Linux machine, other person don't understand where it is happened. Okay, so it's the security level is different. That means the configuration is different. So why Microsoft is for support mainly. Support is also free support is there and paid support. Support, free support is there and paid support. Free support mostly for 60 to 90 days depends upon the Microsoft. It provide a free support. Okay, 60 to 90 days maximum support is there. Paid support for limited time. Okay, maybe 2 years, 5 years, 10 years. Paid support is there, but still it is limited, not lifelong. Okay, paid support. Even I am using 2010 or 2013. And I got a problem with my Microsoft Office. I called to my organization, I called to the Microsoft, and I'm getting the problem. And I want to pay, but they won't give you support because that is completely removed from the Microsoft. They force you to buy a new one only. Okay. You cannot access with the same license in multiple devices, only one device it is. Okay. Updates for a limited time. Free support is for limited, like a 90 days is maximum, and paid for a limited time. Okay. So these are the things about a Office one-time purchase, and no need to pay for monthly and yearly. One time you buy it, and that is your Office. Okay. So anything missing point? For example, in my laptop, I installed my Microsoft Office. I created some documents in it. And my license is in the laptop, and I have a documents in my laptop. Everything is there. Okay. Now what happened? You went to some place. You're not with your laptop, and your boss called you, and you have to do some changes in the document. Where is the document? It's in your PC. Where is your office? It's in your laptop. So how to access it? You have to go to the laptop. Okay. Okay. So that is a point. So why I am telling that point, because of Office 365 provide a OneDrive. You can store your documents in the OneDrive. OneDrive is a personal cloud storage. It means you can access your cloud storage data from anywhere, anytime, right? From your mobile, you can access, from just some web browser also you can access. So go to it, go to the document and do the modification and share to your boss. Okay, that is advantage of Office 365. Of course, some people may not find much problem with this kind of approach. That is also good, guys. So I'm not talking like this is a very bad product. I'm not talking. You prefer it's a one-time purchase, monthly, yearly purchases. I don't want to go, and you buy once and use it for a certain period of time. Means 5 or 6 years. Happily you can use it. Okay. Mostly you don't worry about the support. Mostly whatever the problem you got for your laptop, you don't go for a repair person. You will ask friend and we will try to fix it ourselves only. Okay. So that's what I'm trying to say. This is one-time purchase kind of stuff. Guys, understand? One-time purchase offices. So this is Microsoft Office suite, one-time purchase Office 2021. For example, 2021, 2019, or maybe new one, whatever it is. It is offline applications only. So it available in the desktop application mode only. Okay. Desktop means laptop or desktop. You can use this. You will get Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, Access, Publisher, OneNote kind of stuff. It works on one single PC or Mac. Single PC means it is Microsoft system. Okay, Windows 10, Windows 11. These are PC. They're calling as a PC. Mac means it's Apple laptops. Okay, so you can use these offices nowadays in the either in the Windows operating system or Mac operating system also. You can use it, but one device only, one license, one device. So one-time purchase. So no need to pay for monthly and yearly. Once you buy it, and you can use it for a long time. Limited time paid for a free and paid support. For new features, you have to purchase new version of Office. Updates for a limited period of time. Okay, regular Office. Then what is the advantage of using Office 365 or Microsoft 365? Okay. Microsoft 365, or you can say Office 365. Some people call like a, do you know about O 365? O 360. It is Office 365. Okay. So what is the benefits of this over this one? Of course, it's a subscription model. Means you have to pay either monthly or yearly. Okay. You have to go for a monthly or yearly payment. Next. Not one-time purchase it is. So no permanent subscription is not there. You have to either you have to pay monthly or yearly. Depends upon your requirement. Okay. So I will tell about personal, family related and business related and enterprise related. Three uh, subscriptions are there. So I will tell all the subscriptions also. Okay. Um, Continuous updates. Continuous updates. So whatever irrespective of means As long as you are subscribed, you'll get updates. You stop using for 6 months and then you started again. Again, you'll get updates. So when you are not using it, means when you are not in the active subscription mode, then no updates at it. Okay. Always support. 24/7. The support is there. Free support. Not paid support, free support. You will get it. Uh, Multiple device support. Multiple device. You can use Office 365 in your desktop, in your laptop, in your mobile, in your tablet. From the browser also you can access. Multiple device support. At a time, you can access 5 devices. Okay. At a time, access from 5 devices. Okay. At a time, same time, you can access all the devices with a single subscription. So, single license or single subscription. Single license or a single subscription, you can access it. Okay. So, at a time, multiple devices you can access. So in a one-time purchase thing, only one device, either one PC or one Mac only. Either one PC or one Mac only, it will work. Okay, one device only it is. But here it is, you can access same subscription from 5 devices. Okay, so that is another one. You will get a OneDrive. How much it is? Up to 1 TB, not up to 1 TB, 1 TB, flat 1 TB. 1 TB of storage you are getting, not up to. Means up to 1 TB of storage, you can able to store data. Its size is 1 TB is given per user. Okay, per user 1 TB of storage. So you can store up to the data is 1 TB. Okay, that's the point. Okay. So this is what I am trying to. Anything we fail to mention? Of course, it is a cloud-based software as a service. That is we know. Continuous updates, always support as comparison. Multiple device support, there it is one single device. And you will get a OneDrive. So what is the advantage of OneDrive? It is you store your data in the OneDrive, you can access from anywhere, anytime. Okay, access from anywhere, anytime, any device. Office online access through internet with web browser. Okay, with a web browser kind of stuff. Okay. Access DB publisher or offline only. Cannot access online. Okay. So this is about Office 365 advantages. Got it, guys? Office 365, O365 or Microsoft 365. Hmm?
Yes, sir.
So in Office 365 or a Microsoft 365, we have home, business, and enterprise. Okay, and enterprise. Four things are there. Home is there, business is there, and enterprise. So three divisions. For personal purpose and family purpose, we choose home. Okay, in a home, we have two are there. One is for a family, another one is personal. Okay, two are there. Okay, I will tell the differences. In business, we have multiple different type of subscriptions are there. Even enterprise, we have E1, E2, E3 kind of subscriptions are there. Okay, we will discuss all the things now. So this is a simple link. You just copy the link and paste here. It will show the differentiation between office kind of stuff. Okay, so there is for a home, for business, for enterprise is also there. In this, it will shows for home and for businesses. Okay, so the cost of things maybe changes and one or two additional points may be there, but mostly the same. It is a little earlier I copied pasted from this here only. So we have to look at from here in this prospect. Okay. So this is Office 365 personal. Personal means single user. You are only one person required Microsoft Office for your laptop in your home. Okay. So what you will do? So either you buy one-time purchase thing, either you will buy one-time purchase kind of stuff. So there is a one-time purchase, office, business, home, and businesses 2021. So you will get a one-time purchase for your one Mac or one PC, classic 2021 version of Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook, access to support experts. You can go to learn more. Then you'll get more details about a single office, the cost, everything you will get it. Right, it's not displaying. Okay. So it is one-time purchase kind of stuff. You have to pay only 9,199. That's it. Not monthly or yearly. Only one time you will buy it. It is for one PC or one Mac, number of accounts. PC accounts only, not user accounts. It's only one system. No cloud storage. No cloud storage. Multiple device platforms are not there. Okay. Word, Excel, PowerPoint you are getting. Outlook it is showing because of home and student. This is home and student. Outlook is not there. But if you go for business or pro, you'll get an Outlook also. For home and student, no Outlook. Okay. Ongoing technical support, gone. Defender, gone. Editor, Clipchamp, Microsoft Teams, OneNote, Access, Publisher, Forms, Skype. Of course, this Access and Publishers, OneNotes, again depends upon the either home or a business or kind of stuff. Okay. But the cost, if you see, this is the starting cost of for a home and student. It is 9,100. Only one time purchase. But you want to go for Office 365 and only one user you want to use it. This is per year. Per year. This is a per month. Okay. This is per month. This is per year. 4,899 is per year. And what you are getting? You're getting Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Windows Defender, OneDrive, 1 terabyte of cloud storage, 1 terabyte of cloud storage, OneDrive you are getting. Outlook you are getting, and this is some editor, Clipchamp, and OneNote. Of course, offline tools also available, Access and Publisher kind of stuff. So this is for one person. This same person can access this Office from 5 devices at once. From Macs, you can use it on PCs, means Windows systems, Mac OSs, mob phones, tablets, whatever it is. It can be Android or Mac OSs. It will support apps with the premium features and offline access here, both online access and offline access also there. Data device security, ad-free, secure mail is also possible. This is for single person has to pay per year. And next one is family. Family means you can one single license. For example, you are the person you purchase. Okay, there is a person who buy this family edition. So with his email ID, you take a family taken as family subscription. Okay, so the cost is 6,199. Okay, the cost is 6,199. You paid, and this is one account, right? This person is first one account, and you can add 5 other users also. These 6 users totally, this main guy and the other 5 users, totally 6 members can use the Office. And each member 5 devices. Each member 5 devices they can access. Means I'm the main person. I add another 5 accounts to my account in the family. All these 6 members can able to access Office. Every user is getting 1 TB of storage. Totally 6 users. All 6 users combinedly 6 TB of cloud storage. Each one is getting 1 TB of storage. And each person can access their offices with their office ID, means email ID kind of stuff. So they can able to access from 5 devices. Okay. So this is family. If you divide by 6 and you ask money from all the 6, like a Netflix account, you pay something 899 or 849 or 749 something is there now the 4 users account, and you can distribute and charge individually also, right? The same thing I am trying to say. Okay, here it is. It is very simple. Netflix has a conditions, but here it is simple. You are purchasing with the 6,199 and divide among the 6 members. Your per year cost will be reduces. Per user cost will be reduces automatically. Okay. Which one is less cost? Personal or family?
Family, sir.
Family. Why? Because you can divide a amount up to 6 members. So for a user, it is almost like a 1,000 some change it will happen. Okay, 1,040 rupees or 1,050 rupees it will be happen. Okay, that's it is compared to this, it is cheaper. That's it. Good. Guys, understand? For home, both editions like a personal and family.
Yes, sir.
Then we'll go for a business. In the business, we have a lot of things are there. Okay, 4 are there mainly: business basic, standard, premium, and apps for business. Apps for business. What is this business basic and standard? Business basic and standard is both are same. Both you will get a same kind of stuff. But small difference is there. That is, in a basics, you can access your office through online or mobile applications only, not a desktop applications. In your organization, it is not required to access from desktops, okay, from your machine. So you don't need to install locally your Microsoft Office suite, okay? And you have a browser, you can use the browser more efficiently. Or if you require anything, then you can check from your mobile also. Then this is a suitable one. And business standard. What is the business standard? Same as the business basics, but online web means online through web browser you can able to access it. Okay. Mobile application, from mobile application you can access it. Desktop applications also there. So you can install in your laptop or desktop of Office 365 or Microsoft 365, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook also. Okay. So if you go Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook, here also Word, Excel, PowerPoint in a Outlook. Thing is, you will get a desktop applications. Here, no desktop applications are there. Anytime phone and web. So each user is getting 1 terabyte of cloud storage. 1 terabyte of cloud storage is there. Custom business mails. So we'll come to that point. Guys, if you see here it is, something is there. OneDrive is there. You know already OneDrive. And what is this Microsoft Team? I am taking this class in Microsoft Teams. Through Microsoft Teams, you can conduct webinars. You can communicate like a voice, video, screen sharing is also possible. Within your organization or outside of organization also you can configure. Okay. So that is Microsoft Teams. Next one is Exchange. This is Exchange. Actually, there is a benefit of exchanges here. So that is what exactly cloud again, Office 365 and cloud. So why these companies are moving to Office 365 mainly? We'll see. Guys, in your organization, users are there. Okay, users are there. These users required mail accounts to communicate. Of course, right? I have a mail account like a Latif at the rate 70s.com like that. I have an account, 70s account is there. So, organization has to maintain a mail server for mail communication. Organization has to maintain a mail server. So, the users can able to mail themselves. So, you want to put a mail server, for example, if it is a Microsoft related architecture, you put a mail server means exchange. Okay. You need a Active Directory database server also required for user authentication. Exchange for managing mailing communication, right? Storing your mail kind of stuff. Of course, you have to store your data, then you need a storage. Okay? This is we have to maintain by your organization or some other organization has to maintain for you or organization you have to pay for that one. Then this much infrastructure you have to maintain, so better we move to the cloud for this one. So what is Office 365 in the business and enterprises. Office 365 in business and enterprise. We have a exchange is there. So in this one, for this exchange, you no need to do all these things because exchange support Azure AD and Entra ID. Azure AD. Okay. Okay. So instead of setting up this physical infrastructure for your organization, simply go to Office 365 and take an exchange services. These exchange services provide mail communication, of course, plus Active Directory related services like Azure AD or Entra ID services. So you don't need to buy any hardware, no need to buy any hardware, operating system, application installation is not required because Office 365 is managing your server. Okay, that is a exchange. Exchange is provide email communication for your organization. For your organization, you have to register with your organization name. So then you can able to communicate. Okay, so you can just go to the exchange and Office 365 exchange section, put your organization name or domain name and configure it. So people are able to send and receive mails. Let's understand what is the use of exchange.
Yes, sir.
The next one is SharePoint. What is SharePoint? You can share data through the SharePoint and it will provide a collaborations. I will show you this. This data is stored in my SharePoint. Okay, you can create sites. You can create a sites. You can post. You can create so many collaborations things. For example, you are working on a project. Okay, so a person, a team leader is there. You want to share the project related documents or project related information. So then simply go to the SharePoint and create one site in it and put the data in it. If anybody having a problem, like if they want to ask a question, they can put it a question like under the blog, it is the question thing is there, it will say there. You can paste the question. Or you want to give some information or a track of the work progress, you can take it. What for my organization, I created a page. Okay, simple. It is help to understand the people what is agile, what is DevOps, what is SDLC. Okay, what are the different tools are there. You can create a conversations. Okay, you can share documents, notepad, site content kind of stuff. So what is the purpose of SharePoint is collaboration. Collaboration kind of stuff. You can create a blogs, sites, okay, for your teams, for your organization. You can post different types of information there. You can continuous communicate. You can share documents within the organizations. That is a SharePoint. You want to create a site, click on the create site. See team site or communication site. Team site means create a private space collaborating with your team. Track and stay update on the project status. Share team resources and co-author content. All site owners and members publish site content. So who are the owners or members of in the site you are added in your organization, so they can able to access it and stuff. Track and stay updated on the project status, share team resources, and co-authorize the content. Okay. Communication site. Share information that engages a broad audience. Create a portal or a subject focused site. Engage dozens or thousands of views. Few contents are others and many site visitors. Okay. So you create the content and multiple people in your organization can able to access. Sorry. That is what SharePoint it is. Okay. So here also you are getting same thing. Some Microsoft loop is added, but other than that one, your basic and standard packages are same. Only difference is to that basic does not contain desktop applications. With that subscription, you won't get a desktop application. If you really want a desktop application, then you have to go for a standard subscription. Just understand the difference and Outlook, SharePoint, and Exchange.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Ready? Okay, good. Next is premium. What is this premium? Premium as a standard, it will provide all the three desktop applications, mobile, and as well as offline, online, everything you can able to access. But in a premium, some additional things are added. Microsoft Entra ID. Entra ID is like a Azure ID. Earlier it is Azure ID, now it is Entra ID. What is the purpose? For your organization, you can add your users there directly. So you see my Microsoft server, I add a users in the server, access from the client, right? So same way, instead of you are maintaining Active Directory in your premises, you can do with this Entra ID also. Okay. And other things also there, like insurance, loops, defender, purview kind of stuff also. If you see absolute business, if you see the absolute business, it's only Microsoft tools created on, only Office tools, not enterprise things like Exchange, SharePoint, Insurance, Entra ID, these kind of services you are not getting. Only this Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and OneDrive only here. Okay. Yeah. So one second. Hmm. An organization only want Office tools, not any mail communication, SharePoint type of communications are not required. So they will go for a apps for business. So this is the Microsoft Office for home and for businesses. Okay. This is enterprise. This is enterprises. Enterprise for a very big organizations, enterprise level is there. Earlier, this is available freely. Now there are paid. Is there 1 month free anyway? But you have to give the. So I select this. Learn more about a new subscription. So this is E3 model. Then we'll see the other enterprises. E1, E3, E5, kind of stuff.
Really?
Um, or compare enterprise data plans. It is 365, Office 365, frontline, non-profit. This is the different tabs are there. You can go to these tabs and get the fund. I'm going to Microsoft 365. See the comparison. E3, E5, F3. Okay. So if you see that, how many apps are we are getting? Enterprise level. You're getting Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Windows subscriptions, Outlets, Exchange, SharePoint, OneNote, OneDrive, Microsoft Teams, Microsoft Bookings. What is Microsoft Bookings? Bookings is for appointment booking. If you are maintaining something hotels, how to book a room in your hotel. So I will provide the service like a booking site I will create. People can able to take an appointment or a booking some space or a rental kind of stuff. We can do it. Okay. Microsoft Teams streams. So whatever the thing you are recorded, see, this is the player kind of stuff. Stream is like a player. So this is our class yesterday. So we'll open it. It will be stream. What are the recorded things? I can upload my records. I can share these records to my team so they can able to access it. Okay. I can download generally what I will do. I will download after this game. Then once it is downloaded, I will upload it to YouTube. But if you are an employee, so I don't need to do upload and download. Simply, I can share to the specific person. A new thing is also added. Trimming is also added. Notes is added. Okay. And clip champ is for editing. Okay. And the recording is also there here. This is a streaming like a YouTube, but within the organization. Streaming is like a YouTube, but within the organization purpose only. Okay. YY Insights, YY Engage, Microsoft List, Forms, Sway, like a Google Form, Microsoft Form. Power Applications, Power Apps is to build your own application for your organizations with the help of existing data. Microsoft Planners, Loop, To Do, Clipchamp, like this, different tools are there. If you see here, it is Power BI Pro also coming in this package. This package. F3 is only web related access and mobile phone access. This is enterprise. Here also we have a Office. Earlier Microsoft, now it is Office. So there also you will get some of the things from it. It depends upon the, I said, subscription. Frontline workforce, non-profitable organizations. Look like a good one. It's a free, up to 300 users. But you have to register. That's like it will ask non-profitable staff pricing. You can click on get started and give the email ID. You can get it. non-profitable organization. They also require Microsoft. So up to here, it will use. Okay, guys, this is about your Office 365. You can see Exchange. What's smarter with the business class? Email and calendar. This is email and calendar. Exchange for mail communication, mail server. Ensures apply security policies to help protect business data at all your organization devices. MDM, mobile device management. So in my organization, if anyone is using mobiles, which is I want to control, not their personal mobile, organization related mobiles, their data, their access, everything I want to control, I can do it from Insurance also. SharePoint, you can create a team site, share information, files and resources like a collaboration. Okay. So this is different things about it. And you can find there certain questions. Okay, read the questions. Already it is there in your page. Check the question and answers. This orange one is question and the green one is your answer. Okay. So this is about your Office 365. Why my charging point is not connecting properly? It connected and disconnected automatically. Guys, understand the difference between Office 365 points are what is Office 365? That is important. Next one is what is the Office 365 benefits over a regular Office? Some people will ask you question, what is the difference between Outlook and Office 365? What is the difference between Outlook and Office 365? Guys, Outlook is a mail client application. Mail client application. It is a part of any Office suite, whether it is Office 365 or one-time purchase Office, it is a part of Office suite, right? Outlook is mail client application. Office 365 is a cloud-based Microsoft Office suite you are getting. Okay, software as service, anytime, anywhere you can able to access. So that is Office 365. Okay. Next, the different editions and comparisons for home and for business, for enterprises. Okay, these are important. What we are getting, what is Exchange, what is SharePoint. That's enough. Anything understandable?
Yes, sir. Got it.
Right.